Welcome to Sensorica Friday again. We're getting ready for the event tonight, February 20th at 5 o'clock, and we're setting up the room here for you with some projects on display. But the topic today is sensing and automation for agriculture, and this is the table where the fun is going to take place mostly. We're going to play with some open source controllers, Arduino board. We can also play with Raspberry Pi, plugging some sensors, for instance, some moisture sensors, and our project here, the optical fiber based soil moisture sensor. We also have some temperature sensors, pressure sensors, light sensors that we can play with. You can also play with a pH meter. So we're going to integrate this with a board and play with some software to see how easy it is to plug this thing and do some software for controls and analysis of the data that we gather from them. We're going to have fun with that. Here you have our intelligent flower pot. We can call it this way. It has its own light and it produces its own water from thin air. We're using this component here that cools down up to minus 10 degrees and condenses water from the air and drives it to the roots of the plant. All this is part of the e-community manager project that we started in November, I think, and has picked up a lot of steam. You can visit the project by clicking or by just scanning this QR code. And related to this, I can also show you, and we'll talk about it and we'll play with microfluidic chips. Now, we're using 3D printers to design these microfluidic chips and make them. And they're essentially used in lab-on-a-chip technology for detection of chemicals and biological contaminants. Can be used in water quality control and soil quality control and so on. Using 3D printers, you can do that in your basement to design microfluidic chips to be integrated in lab-on-a-chip devices for environmental monitoring and for uses in agriculture, food quality and so on. Again, if you want to know more about this project, you just have to scan this QR code. We're also going to see this other project here that started, I think, in December and picked up some momentum. Now it is a little dormant. It's about the piezo pump. It's a very low cost 3D printed parts using a piezo buzzer, very precise pump, but some low volume. It is made to be used in conjunction product here that a Sensorica affiliate created. You have here the piezo-based micro manipulators, part of our scientific instrument suite 2, with their own electronic controller. If you like it, scan the QR code and go to the manipulators page on our website and see more about this project. And hey, we're going to play with this little baby here, which is a very low-cost micro manipulator made with piezo buzzers and some 3D printed parts under $5 And we believe this can democratize the access to the micron world. Anybody in the basement can actually play with little tiny things. So yeah, please come and see us. This is Bruce, the instigator of this Sensorica Friday. So we're waiting for you at 5 o'clock. The only thing we're missing is the food table and the beers. See you later.